Imagine this. Everything alive on Earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the tallest redwood tree to you, is made from the same fundamental building blocks. Biology is the story of how these blocks create and sustain life. Are you ready? Let's break it down. Number 1. Life's blueprint, DNA. What is DNA? It's the instruction manual for life. A molecule shaped like a twisted ladder. Double helix. DNA contains genes, which are specific instructions for building proteins. Why protein matters? Proteins do everything. Building cells, send signals, and even help you digest food. Number 2. Cells, the building blocks of life. What is a cell? A cell is the basic unit of life. Think of it as a tiny factory. Inside, the nucleus holds DNA, which is the manager. The mitochondria are the power plants, and the ribosomes are the protein assembly lines. Fun fact, your body has about 37 trillion cells all working together right now. Number 3. Evolution, how life changes. Life didn't start complex. Around 3.5 billion years ago, simple single-celled organisms appeared. Over time, these evolved into more complex beings, thanks to mutation and natural selection. Key idea: the traits that help an organism survive are passed down. That's why birds have wings and humans have perceptible thumbs. Number 4. Energy, the fuel of life. Every living thing needs energy to survive. Plants use photosynthesis to turn sunlight into sugar, which is their food. Animal like us, we eat food which cells break down into energy using cellular respiration. ATP, this molecule, is your body's energy currency. When cells need energy, they spend ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. Number 5. Diversity of life, the 5 kingdoms. Biologists group life into 5 main categories. Animals. Animals move and eat, like humans, lions, etc. Plants. Plants make their own food, like trees and algae. Fungi. Fungi break down decaying stuff, like mushrooms. Protists. Protists are microscopic oddballs, like amoebas. Bacteria. Bacteria are tiny, simple cells everywhere. Number 6. Ecosystems. Everything is connected. Ecosystem is a community of living things, plants, animals interacting with the environment, water, soil, and air. Cycle of life. Producers are plants, consumers are humans, animals, and decomposers are fungi and bacteria, which recycle nutrients. Number 7. Genetics, why you are unique. Inheritance. Inheritance is when you get half your DNA from your mom, half from your dad. This mix makes you you. Mutations. They are small changes in DNA that can lead to new traits like good, bad, or neutral. Number 8. Diseases, when biology goes wrong. Viruses like COVID-19 hijack cells to reproduce. Bacteria can cause infections, but not all bacteria are bad. Your gut is home to trillions of good ones helping you digest food. Cancer happens when cells grow uncontrollably, ignoring the rules of normal cell division. Number 9. Biology and the big questions. How did life start? Scientists think life began in the ocean with simple molecules forming the first cells. What makes us conscious? This is still a mystery, but biology points to the brain, a network of neurons firing signals. Number 10. Why biology matters. Medical breakthroughs, from antibiotics to gene editing, like CRISPR, CRISPR, saving the planet. Studying ecosystems helps us combat climate change and protect biodiversity. Understanding ourselves. Biology explains how our bodies and minds work. Now, let's come to the final thought: what biology is all about and what biology isn't. Biology isn't just about memorizing facts. It's the story of life itself. It shows how tiny molecules create miracles, how species adapt to survive, and how everything is interconnected. Understanding this isn't just fascinating, it's empowering. You are part of this incredible system, and every breath you take is proof of life's brilliance. And that's biology for you, simplified. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, follow, and share. God bless you.